Biryanis and More has been one of the favorite Indian restaurant choice to many customers today. We are a fast-growing casual restaurant chain with 25 plus locations in India, USA, Canada, and UAE. We are planning to expand for 100 plus more locations across the globe in the next 5 years to incorporate our vision of enabling Indian cuisine in different regions and communities all over the globe. We are a fusion restaurant comprising exotic Indian diverse cuisines. We have 40 plus different varieties of authentic biryani recipes, which has enabled us to create unique remark and stand as the world's diverse biryani brand with multiple cuisines.
We ensure regular quality checks to provide the best hygiene food to our customers. We take utmost care in every process till the food reaches to the customer's table. As you know, technology plays a very critical role when you need to reach every expectation of our customers at scale. We have partnered with Frugal as our technology partner.
Frugal has created a remarkable impact on overall growth of our business to build true loyalty and customer satisfaction with operational efficiency. We have seen commendable growth in our customer spending behaviors with an absolute 30% growth in revenue after using Frugal. Frugal's platform has helped us right from capturing customers' data, building retention, and driving engagements. Biryani's Rewards Club has been the most successful implementation, helping customers feel the delightful experience with exclusive rewards and benefits that we have automated using Frugal's platform.
We are using Frugal's feedback platform to track our customer experience in real time and respond to customers one-on-one, taking rightful actions, helping our customers always feel greatly satisfied.
It's not just this. Frugal helped us in engaging customers to run automated campaigns, sending out birthday wishes with exclusive offers, sending festival campaigns, and win back lapsed customers.
Recently, we have launched Biryani's app and website that works globally with Frugal support to create a unique experience for customers enjoying food delivery to home, easy pickups from all our stores across the globe, while enjoying Biryani's Rewards Club benefits and referral benefits with gamified engagement. And the backend dashboard is very easy to use and simplified so that we are able to manage our entire operations and marketing from one dashboard, having complete control on our business and customers. And Frugal's team has been extremely proactive, helping us utilize our data to the fullest potential in taking the right decision and approach. Frugal has finally made our jobs easier to follow our expansion plan.
Hello, this is Jeevan, founder and CEO of Frugal. We work with many B2C brands in making them drive their objectives to become more customer-centric and also make them focus on revenue growth with our cutting-edge customer loyalty and engagement platform. We help brands collect customer data from multiple touch points and use that data to the fullest potential so that they understand customers so deeply. We help brands create winning loyalty programs and automate their campaigns to send them personalized rewards and communications. We don't just act as a technology partner, but also act as a strategic partner with brands so that they can understand fundamentals of customer loyalty and engagement strategy. Our portfolio of customers have seen 9x faster growth at an average of 75 times the ROI. Join us as our happy customers now.